Hey guys, welcome to TechTricks tutorial. In today's video, we're gonna talk about Pika versus Runway.ml image to video comparison. It is a step-by-step guide to follow easily, and don't forget to hit the like and subscribe button. So let's dive right in. So this video is for all of the AI filmmakers and content creators. So just get ready for the thrilling journey into the world of image to video conversion. So we'll dive into the comparison of the two fantastic tools that we have in here, which is the Pika Labs and the Runway, to help you bring your imaginative visions to life. So these tools will allow your static images into moving videos, and we'll explore the differences in the quality and control that they offers. But before we get started onto the comparison, let's gonna go ahead and do a quick overview onto what is Pika and Runway ML. So let's start first onto Pika Labs. So this is the website of Pika Labs. So you'll just need to search pika.art onto your local browser. And for you to be able to use this, you'll just need to head onto the Pika Discord. You'll just need to accept their invite. So you should be able to see this one onto their website. You should be able to click join beta in here, and you'll get redirected onto this invite to join their Pika Discord. So just gonna click onto accept invite, and then right after you'll get redirected onto how you should use it. And once you're already onto the Discord channel, you should be able to receive this set of questions. So, on what you want to do on the server and anything, so that they could go ahead and adjust the settings as per your needs. So, I'll just need to answer those things in here. So, you could just go ahead and skip onto that, and you should be able to see also the server rules for that one. So right after, you should be able to see in here the step-by-step guide to get started. You need to read the instructions, view the user guide, check out the daily team challenge, view selected works from the community, and then right after, you'll have the option in here to go directly onto how to generate. So for you to be able to know how to do that, there is actually some tutorials here onto the left side, video tutorial, prompt tutorials, and many more. So for example, for the prompt tutorial in here, you should be able to see the different things in here on what you should do, or some guides on how you should be able to generate something like this. So as you can see, you'll just need to read through it, and there is also a welcome in here. You should be able to see us into the channel, the video tutorial, and many more. So let's get back here onto the getting started. So welcome to Pika Labs. Get ready to unleash your creativity with the powerful AI video generation technology. So as you can see, for a quick start, you need to go to the one of the following to generate channels. These 10 channels in here are where you should be able to generate the photo, and you cannot make videos or use create in any other Pika server channels, just this onto the generate. And then right after, you need to type in this, type /create and select /create from the list of commands that will pop up, and then in the prompt field, type a description of the video you want to create. So this is an example of a prompt. Create a prompt: a robot is walking in the forest, sunset, AR, and many more. So you must follow the structure to get your prompt working. Create a prompt, then description of the video you want to create, and the optional parameters. So for more information, you'll just need to click onto each one of them so that you'll know about the image to video, Pikabot buttons, private generation, optional parameters, missing videos, and frequently used channels. So this is just the basics onto using Pika Labs. Now going to the other channel, or going to the other tool that we're going to use, is the Runway. So Runway is an applied AI research company shaping the next era of art, entertainment, and human creativity. And for you to be able to use this, you'll just have to click on to try Runway for free. And right after a quick sign up or login process, this is where you'll head. So this is Pika Labs dashboard. So this is one of the main difference that they have with Pika Lab, since Pika Lab focuses more onto a Discord channel. Runway in here already have its own website, so you don't need to have a Discord channel or a Discord account to use this. You'll just need to go directly, and you'll just need to sign up onto Runway so that you'll get redirected in here. So here onto their dashboard, here's what you'll see. So here onto the upper left, you should be able to see your account settings and who are the member onto that. So you could invite some collaborators for that one so that you could work with your team, and many more. So that is another difference that you have with Pika. Also here, you're currently into the home section. Here on the home section, you should be able to see some of the basic things that you could do onto this platform. So you could start with an image to generate video using text, image, or both, or you could start with text. So we are actually bringing the image to life using the Gen 2 in Runway. Also, you could view assets or upload or manage creations. You could also try the Gen 1 since we're trying the Gen 2 in here, or the video to video generation. You could also have an AI training. So there is one free training on paid plans, and you could tell us about yourself as well so that the Pika Labs, or just like what we did in Pika Labs, you need to answer some questions so that they could personalize your experience onto using that platform. There is a search bar here onto the upper part to search for tools, assets, and projects you could watch in here. So you can see also the assets here, the video editor projects, some of the projects that are shared with you, the videos or the generate videos, edit audio subtitles, images, generate image, edit image, more, 3D, and the AI training. So we're currently using the free plan for this one, and if you upgrade to another plan, so here's actually the different plans that it offers. So you have two options, the monthly and yearly in here. So we're currently using the free, which is 125 credits, the $12 or the standard at 625 credits per month, pro at $28 or 2,250 credits per month, and the unlimited for $76, which is unlimited video generation. So you'll just need to scroll down in here to view the different plans that it offers and the details of it. And if you found something that you've liked, you could just click on to upgrade. Now going back to get started onto this, so just like what we did onto Pika Labs, you'll just need to click onto this one. So for example, you want to start with text, you'll just have to click onto that one, and then right after you'll get redirected onto another page. So this is just like onto Pika Labs where you need to go to a channel, but instead of typing in a command for the prompt, you'll just need to type in directly in here to describe your scene and how it moves. So you could do that one, or click onto image in here to add in an image, drag and drop it in here, the image description, so that you could add both text and image onto your generation. Right after, you'll just have to click onto generate, and you can do a quick preview. And that's just basically it onto using Runway, and that is the difference onto using it with Pika Labs. Now for us to be able to go ahead and verify the difference of both, so I actually have here a website that has a comparison of both its generations. So let's check that one out. So for our first example in here, so we have here the geodesic dome desert community. So the first image in here is that one with a rider on a horse, and with Pika Labs we were able to write a text prompt to animate the scene exactly as we envisioned. So as you can see, we have this one. So the result was pretty close to the expectation, even if the horse was a bit peculiar. So there might be something with the horse in here, and as you can see, this is what it looks like onto Pika's generation and Runway generation. So this is the image to video, and on the second example in here, we aim to have someone with headphones staring out of the bus window while animating the traffic bus passing by. So we have here from Pika and Runway. So in Pika Labs, it actually generated something like that also in Runway. The only difference in here is on Runway, it is actually more like brighter. So the animation successfully captured the motion outside the bus here onto Pika. Although there was an expected glowing effect on the characters here, make it a little blurry. So I think Runway made it a little better onto this one. Now, right after, there are still a lot in here. We could actually see also in here the apocalyptic future of London. So as you can see in here, on Runway truly shines for this one since it effortlessly creates a high quality stunning animation with realistic flames reflecting the water. So Pika did well as well onto this one since it did also created something more like of a very hazy thing, but here for the level of detail and quality, Runway makes it better. So another example we have here is a cyber cowboy on a horseback. So with the horse moving towards the camera presented a challenge for both tools. So as you can see in here, kind of like the Pika also in here since there was more like some dust here onto the back, making it more realistic. But here onto Runway, it is actually more realistic than Pika since it is a little blurry. So your Runway's animation in here was captivating with also the rider's mask, rider making strides and background elements adding to realism. However, for this one, the horse didn't precisely move as intended in here. So Pika did better onto that part, but onto the animation, I think Runway did it better. So in here, another thing is the autumn path's strong. So Runway showcased a strength in here since the animation had a crisp look with dynamic camera movement and a character who made natural strides, significantly enhancing overall realism. So also Pika in here I think this is nice, but more like Runway provided the striding factor more, and Runway undoubtedly delivers top notch quality, making it an excellent choice for establishing shots and scenic portraits. So, as you've seen, Pika Labs and Runway each other have their unique strengths. While Pika Labs provides more control and flexibility, Runway delivers unparalleled quality. So choosing between them depends on your specific project needs and preferences. So as you can see here onto the website that we've used as a reference, there is also some things in here that needs to take a note of. So in Pika Labs, the power of control, it has precise text prompts allow customization, ideal for creating specific animation, greater flexibility in shaping your vision, and in Runway, quality that wows, exceptional visual quality and details, stunning animation that captivate viewers, and perfect for establishing shots and scenic portraits. So you could explore possibilities or open up exciting opportunities for these two AI filmmakers and content creation. So as you can see, there are more informations in here, and also in conclusion in here, the choice between them ultimately depends on your project requirements and your preferred level of control. So you need to go ahead and explore these tools, experiment, and bring your still images to life in ways you never thought possible. So with both of this, you have the tools to take your content creation to the next level. And if you think this has been helpful to you, don't forget to hit the like, subscribe, and if you have any question, don't hesitate to comment it down below. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you on to our next video.